Look at that. It didn't break. So today we're gonna make a taco that doesn't break when you bite into it. It's so annoying when you take the taco, take a bite, and then the bottom crunches out and all the stuff falls out. It's a horrible flaw in the taco, but today we have a solution. And it means baking your tacos. That's the secret, you gotta bake it. Well, let's start off with the ingredients that you need. Pound of ground meat. I have ground turkey today. Use beef or chicken, whatever you want. Shredded even if you want to. Shredded cheese, pre-shredded or not. Not pre-shredded generally tastes better, but this is easier. I go to Trader Joe's, as you can probably tell. Organic refried pinto beans. So just some sort of beans, whatever you want. Taco shells, the hard taco shells like this. And then I got some taco seasoning mix. This stuff is pretty good, and it's a little spicy, which I like. And then you need a kind of a big glass pan like this. This is a 9 by 13. The size works good if you have it. If you got another size, that works too. Let's get to making some unbreakable tacos. So first step is to preheat the oven to 400. Boom. Next, grab yourself a skillet and brown your meat in the skillet, and we'll get that rolling. So while your meat is going, get your taco seasoning and your beans ready to go, because we'll mix that into the mixture of the meat when that's all browned up, and we'll kind of drain the grease from that a little bit too. So just browning up the meat here. That's all it is, cooking the ground meat stuff. I'm no chef, I'm barely a cook, but I can generally get this done. Okay, so there we go. It's pretty much good, just a touch pink, basically cooked, but that's okay. I'm gonna drain the grease out now and then add in the beans and the taco seasoning. Oh yeah. Look at that. Looks like something Matilda would get from Miss Trunchbull. Just mix this all up. We'll kind of let it, I put the burner to low. See, told you. And we'll just kind of let all the juices kind of simmer together and turn this into a taco mixture of meat and beans and seasoning. Okay, so do that yourself, along with me at home. So there's the goo taco mishmash. And I'm just gonna leave it here for like a minute or two more and just let it simmer. It's so hot in here. It's with this oven and this stove, I'm literally sweating bullets. Whew, okay. So now I turn the burner off because the pan is still hot, so it's kind of still cooking that stuff. So now take your pan and your shells, and we're gonna start lining them up in the pan. I guess you can't really see. I'm gonna readjust the shot so you can see the table. Okay, so there's the wire for the mic too that you can see, right on. Here's the taco shells. Okay, so we just line them up so they kind of stand up in here. Okay, that kind of works. Oh yeah, oh that's good. This might not be working out as well as I'd hoped. We gotta stuff this stuff in there anyway, so it doesn't super matter right now, I guess. Okay, that's good. Moving on. Good Lord, Janice, it's so hot in here. So next we're gonna start packing the tacos. Just put them in there nicely. Use a spoon. I don't know, we'll do it evenly, I guess. Oh crap. Oh dear. Like I say, this smells pretty good, even though it's hotter than hell in here. Good Lord. I'm gonna sweat into these tacos. Maybe don't preheat the oven so early. Maybe wait a little bit, jeez. I shouldn't have worn a yellow shirt or a white shirt because now I'm gonna have yellow pits. You know those yellow armpits you get when you sweat in a white shirt? See, it gets a little tricky. Gotta make them all stand up. Oh yeah. Still sweating, but that looks pretty damn good, doesn't it? And now I'm gonna put on the cheese with my sweaty hands. Oh yeah. Oh, that looks good. Putting on the cheese. If you're blue and you don't know where to go to, why don't you go where fashion sits? Putting on the shredded cheese. That looks pretty good. Should I just use all the rest of this cheese? Oh yeah, I'm gonna use. Now I'm gonna talk without adjusting the camera. We're gonna put this whole thing in the oven at 400 degrees. We already preheated it, as we know, because it's so hot. We're gonna put it in for like 8 to 10 minutes. So I'm gonna do that, and then I will check in with you guys after that. We're out of the oven now. The cheese has melted, they look good. I'm gonna let these cool, we'll put some toppings on them. I think we're gonna make some guacamole, and you could put lettuce or tomato, whatever you want on these things. Then we're gonna try them and do the stress test, the break test, to see how they hold up to a bite. So this is the taste test. As you can see, I changed my shirt because I sweat through my other white one. But now it's time to taste the taco. Will it break or will it not break? Here's a taco, as you can see, the one I put in the oven. I'm gonna take a normal bite, not inhibit myself. Look at that. It didn't break. It didn't break. Look at that, no crackage on the bottom. It's still a crunchy taco, but it's just a little soft at the meat part where that meat bean mixture was, so it doesn't break. Oh my God, look at that. It bends in, but it doesn't break. It's got a little give. Oh, look at that. This is it. Mission accomplished. The unbreakable taco. Want a little bit? Yeah, that's all. And it tastes really good too. This is even with no toppings. Not only is it unbreakable, but it's like the sturdiest taco. Without any toppings. Look at that, without any toppings, look at that. How often can you do that with the taco? I'm gonna bite from the other end now to see if this end will crack, because this is the diciest part of the taco. No cracking. This is amazing. This changes a lot. I hope you enjoyed watching this. It was actually really good too. I sweated a lot, but this was really exciting. We found the unbreakable taco. Thanks for following along. Let me know your thoughts. If you have any improvements or things to change to this recipe or idea, please let me know. I'll be curious to know if you guys try it or what you think. And this wasn't mine. This is all over the internet. Baking them wasn't my idea. Just so we're clear, wasn't my idea. I'm still really sweaty though. All right. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching, and you can subscribe if you want. This is Curiosityness. I do like a bunch of these, kind of show you how to make stuff, and I interview cool people on a podcast, and I talk about cars. Sorry, you can hear my phone going off. I should have silenced it. But that's it. Thanks for watching again. I said it again. I'm just gonna end this video right now. Goodbye.